Here, Mom. This is for you.
I don't know. Let's see what it says.
It's for me. Cat. Cat. Oh, I love her. I love that movie. Oh, Alvin and the Chipmunks. I'm gonna pick it up. Dump it on There we go. We got it. I told you we got it. Awesome. Oh. Lost tooth. Awesome.
Loose tooth.
Loose tooth. Let me see this. Oh God. It's 100. Goes to 115 pages. Can we read this right now?
After homework.
Awesome. Can I have a piece of paper? Can I use this?